When we think of the pinnacle of automotive luxury and over-the-top performance, one name always comes to mind: Mansory. For over 30 years, Mansory Automobiles has been at the forefront of creating some of the world's most extravagant, exclusive, and head-turning custom cars. But what exactly makes Mansory so special? Who is behind this empire of luxury automobiles? And why do these cars evoke such strong reactions from enthusiasts and critics alike? In today's video, we'll dive into the world of Mansory, uncovering its origins, exploring its most iconic vehicles, and discussing why this brand has earned both admiration and disdain. By the end, you'll have a deeper understanding of why Mansory holds such a powerful reputation in the world of high-end automotive customization. So, who is Mansory? To understand Mansory, we first need to understand the man behind the brand. Kourosh Mansory founded Mansory in 1989. Originally, the company was focused on British luxury car brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley. But over the years, Mansory expanded its portfolio to include some of the world's most exotic vehicles, such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, and even the Ford GT. The mission of Mansory has always been to take the already elite and luxurious and push it to the next level, to create something truly one of a kind. But Kourosh Mansory wasn't just a businessman. He was a visionary. He had a deep passion for cars and a unique understanding of what the super wealthy clientele wanted: exclusivity, personalization, and status. He quickly realized that affluent car buyers were not just satisfied with owning a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. They wanted something that no one else had, something that would make them stand out. And that's exactly what Mansory has been delivering for over 3 decades. The craftsmanship and controversy is important to hear. Let's be real here. Mansory cars are not for the faint of heart. They are known for their bold designs, aggressive styling, and most notably, their extreme price tags. But behind every eye-popping price is a level of craftsmanship that few can match. Each car that leaves the Mansory factory is hand-built, featuring bespoke carbon fiber body panels, custom interiors that can only be described as works of art, and performance upgrades that make already powerful vehicles even more extreme. Mansory isn't just about slapping a body kit on a car and calling it a day. The level of detail that goes into each build is astounding. We're talking about lightweight carbon fiber materials, hand-stitched leather seats, and even fine-tuned aerodynamics. Everything is meticulously planned and executed to ensure that each vehicle not only looks incredible, but performs at a level that matches its aggressive aesthetic. But not everyone is a fan of Mansory's design language. Critics often accuse Mansory of being too much, too flashy, too brash, and too over the top. It's true that Mansory's designs can be polarizing. Take a look at the Mansory Bugatti Veyron, for example. Some say it's a work of art, while others think it's a case of more money than taste. However, one thing is clear: Mansory has never been about subtlety. The Mansory lineup. They are icons of excess. How? Let's show you. Mansory's portfolio is as extensive as it is extravagant. Let's break down some of the most iconic vehicles that have passed through the Mansory factory. 1. The Mansory Mercedes R63. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is already one of the most luxurious and powerful sedans on the planet. But when it goes through Mansory's hands, it becomes a different beast altogether. The Mansory S63 boasts an aggressive body kit, large custom wheels, and a host of interior upgrades that scream opulence. And let's not forget about the performance enhancements. Mansory squeezes out even more horsepower from the already powerful AMG engine, making this car as fast as it is luxurious. 2. The Mansory Lamborghini Urus. The Lamborghini Urus is already a head-turner in its stock form, but Mansory takes it to a whole new level. The Mansory Urus is wider, more aggressive, and more powerful than the stock version. With its wide body kit, carbon fiber accents, and enhanced engine performance, the Mansory Urus is a super SUV that commands attention wherever it goes. It's the perfect blend of utility and insanity, making it a favorite among Mansory enthusiasts. 3. The Mansory Bugatti Veyron. Perhaps one of the most controversial cars in Mansory's lineup, The Mansory Bugatti Veyron is the epitome of excess. Mansory took what was already one of the fastest and most expensive cars in the world and somehow made it even more extravagant. The custom carbon fiber bodywork, bold paint schemes, and interior that looks like it belongs in a royal palace make the Mansory Veyron a truly one-of-a-kind creation. But as with many Mansory vehicles, the design isn't for everyone. While some adore its audacity, others think it's overdone. 4. The Mansory Rolls-Royce. Cullinan. Rolls-Royce is synonymous with luxury, and the Cullinan is the brand's ultra-luxurious SUV. But Mansory takes Cullinan's understated elegance and turns it into something much bolder. The Mansory Cullinan features an aggressive wide-body kit, custom wheels, and a completely reimagined interior. It's a statement vehicle, one that says you're not just wealthy, but that you have the kind of wealth that demands attention. 5. The Mansory Ferrari 812 Superfast. The Ferrari 812 Superfast is already one of the most powerful Grand Tours in the world, but Mansory has taken it a step further with custom body panels, aerodynamic enhancements, and a completely revamped interior. The result's a car that's even more aggressive in both looks and performance. Mansory's version of the 812 Superfast is not for the purest Ferrari fan, but for someone who wants to push the boundaries of what's possible with the iconic Italian brand. 6. The Mansory 4 GT. Yes, even the iconic 4 GT has gone through the Mansory treatment. This is a car that's revered for its racing heritage and minimalist design, but Mansory wasn't afraid to put its own spin on it. With more aggressive bodywork and enhancements to the engine and suspension, the Mansory 4 GT is a performance monster that's as fast on the track as it is loud on the street. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone spend hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars, to customize an already expensive car? For Mansory's clientele, it's not just about owning a car, it's about owning the car. In a world where the ultra-wealthy can buy pretty much anything, having something truly unique becomes a status symbol. Mansory offers that level of exclusivity. It's not enough to own a Lamborghini Urus. You have to own a Mansory Lamborghini Urus, a car that no one else has. It's also about performance. Mansory doesn't just make cars look better, they often make them faster and more powerful. Whether it's through engine tuning, aerodynamic enhancements, or weight reduction, Mansory vehicles aren't just for show. They perform at a level that matches their aggressive looks. Mansory's bold design choices and extreme modifications have certainly attracted their fair share of criticism. Some say the brand ruins the original beauty of the cars they modify. Others argue that the prices Mansory charges are astronomical and unjustified. But for every critic, there's a fan who admires Mansory's audacity and craftsmanship. For those who can afford it, Mansory offers a level of personalization and exclusivity that no other brand can match. In the end, Mansory isn't for everyone. It's for a select few who want to push the boundaries of luxury and performance. It's for those who aren't afraid to make a statement every time they pull up in their car. Whether you love or hate their designs, there's no denying that Mansory has carved out a unique niche in the world of luxury automobiles, and they're here to stay. So, what's the truth behind Mansory? It's a brand built on exclusivity, excess, and audacity. From the bold designs to the extreme performance upgrades, Mansory cars are unlike anything else on the road. For those who want to make a statement, for those who demand the best and are willing to pay for it, Mansory delivers in spades. Whether you see these cars as works of art or expressions of wealth gone wild, there's no denying the impact Mansory has had on the world of luxury automotive customization. And as long as there's a demand for the extravagant and the exclusive, you can bet that Mansory will continue to push the limits of what's possible. So what do you think? Are Mansory cars masterpieces or monstrosities? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of high-end cars. Thanks for watching.